Hello everyone, this is David from DIY Gains. This is the hospital door hanger that I made for my daughter Brayleigh almost a year ago. As you can see, the date right here on this one, March 30th, 2017. There is a part 1 where you can actually see the making of each of these items. Then this is part 2 of 2. I apologize that there's such a large gap in between the posting of the videos, but I just never got around to making this video. But anyway, in short, what we have is the primary feature being the anchor. My wife decided she wanted to have the majority of our daughter's baby items in anchors, and then I decided to go ahead and put the first letter of her name, which is Brayleigh, so the letter B, put that right in the center here. And then for each of the traditional items that people generally post, such as the weight, date, time, and length, I wanted to have each item something different. I didn't want just one item, I wanted something a little bit different for each one. And then also, just as a little topper up here, I went ahead and put a bow up here. I already had some more of this twine, so just to kind of add to the feature of it being an anchor, I went ahead and just added that on there. But as you can see, that's actually how it hangs. But anyway, basically just took each individual piece, drew the design on 1/8 inch plywood, cut them all out on scroll saw. As you can see, there's the bow, 1, anchor, 2, the letter, which is 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7. So this actually consisted of 7 different pieces. And then to hold them together, I actually used, there we go, I used some copper wire to actually suspend each individual item from the anchor. And then for the letter B, I actually just hot glued that down. Drilled a hole in the top of the anchor, made a loop, wrapped around the sides, and then tied off over here. And then here's the actual rope that's actually used to hang it from the door at the hospital. But anyway, like I said, I just wanted to do a follow-up video. This is part 2 of 2. And this is the actual one that we hung on the door for our daughter Brayleigh whenever she was born. But anyway, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. YouTube channel being DIY Gains. You can see other videos, and there's a lot more to come. I still have videos I need to make on several other items. But anyway, just bear with me. Please like, share, and subscribe. Tell as many people about it as you can. That really helps out a lot. Thank you for watching.